Hello everyone, my name is Nuria Sila and student ID number 2024-22100. Today, in this practical, the session 3 classification practical step-by-step explanation. Next, the first step is preparing all the necessary libraries. NumPy and Panda are used for numerical and tabular data manipulation. Matplotlib and Seaborn handle all visualization needs. From Scikit-learn, several important modules are imported. Load Iris to load the dataset. Train test plate to devise the data. The session 3 classifier as the main model and evaluation function such as accuracy score, classification report, and conversion matrix label encoder is import to convert class label from text into number. The warning filter warning icon comment is used to suppress irrelevant warning message for culturing the output. Next, load dataset. The dataset is the Iris dataset. One of the most well-known classic dataset is machine learning, available directly within Scikit-learn. Is the load using load Iris and convert it into a Panda data frame for easier exploration. The feature column consists of four physical measurement of the iris flower, sepal length, sepal width, petal length, and petal width. All measure in centimeter. The target column contain the spatial name of the flower, Setosa, versicolor, and virginica. The dataset consists of 115 simplest weight 3 class and each containing exactly 50 samples. Next, explorator data analysis. In this stage, in the initial exploration of the data is conducted before entering the model phase. Several things are checked: the shape or size of the dataset, the number of missing values, the distribution of target class, and descriptive statistic such as mean, standard deviation, minimum and maximum values for each feature. EDA is essential to ensure the data is clean, balanced, and free from anomalies that cloud degrade model performance. And next, pre-processing. The pre-processing stage prepare the data to be fed into the model, the numerical feature, and separate from the target column and store as array X class label that were originally in the from such as Setosa, versicolor, and virginica. Are converted into number 0, 1, and 2 using label encoder. This process is called the encoding and is necessary because this machine learning algorithm with weird number, no text. The result is array containing the numerical representation of each class. Next, trying the split. The data is divided into two parts using train test split. In this, 80% of the data is used to train the model, and the remaining 20% is used to test the model. The random stage 42 parameter ensure the data split is always the same every time the code is run, making the result reproducible. The stratify parameter is critically important because it ensure the proportion of each class remain balanced in both data portion. Without stratify, the test data could end up containing only two class, which will make the evaluation unfair and unrepresentative. Next, training model. This training model, the session 3 model is created with several configuration script criterion Gini means the split selection use Gini importedly and max depth for limit the maximum depth of the 3 to 4 level. Limit the deep depth is important to prevent overfitting, which is a condition where the model excessively memorize the training data and fail to generate well to new data. The model is then trained using a modified X-train and Y-train. After training, the tree structure in display in text from using export text, allowing the session rule learned by the model to be read directly. For example, peta length 2.45 leading to the Setosa class. Next, evaluation or model evaluation in this model is evaluation under two conditions on the training data and on the test data. This is on the detect possible overthink. If the training accuracy is significantly higher than the test accuracy, the model is overfitting. The metric used are as follow. Accuracy measure the percent of correct prediction or out of all data. Classification report provided more detailed information per class decision how prices the model prices the positive predication or recall how completion the model find the correct class, and F1 score the harmonical mean of precision and recall. Confusion metric is a table that show is detail how many simple were correctly and incorrectly predicate for every combination of actual class and predicate class, making it easy to which classes are most frequently confusional with one another. And next, this step, decision tree structural visualization. The tree structure is visualize a graphic use plot tree as not is display with information about the sprite condition, Gini value, number of samples, and class distribution. Notes with darker color indicate notes that are more pure or dominated by a single class. This visualization help intuitively understand how the model makes decision from the root all the way down to the leaf node. Yes. And next, this confusion matrix visualization. This step, the confusion matrix is visualized as the heat map using seaboard, large number, and dark color along the main diagonal indicate correct prediction call outside the diagonal present misclassification. This visualization is far easier to read than a plain table of number and help quickly identify which class is most frequently prediction. Next, in this step, a new model is training using only two feature petal lens with the width. The goal is not to obtain the base data, but rather to enable a visualization of the decision boundary in two-dimensional space. Two color are in the background. The background represent the predicted regression for each class, while the color that are the actual data points from this visualization. It becomes clear the data decision tree creates decision boundaries consisting of horizontal and vertical lines. Unlike other algorithm such as CVM, which can produce curves boundaries, this happen because it's split only considered on future and at the time. Next, feature importance. The final step display how much feature contributes to the model decision making process. Access through the model feature importance attribute. This value are calculated beside on how much each feature successfully reduction empathy across the entire tree. A feature with a high score mean it is most frequently and most efficiently used to separate the class in the iris dataset, petal lines and petal white, typical domain, because both have for stranger discriminative power compared to sepal lines and sepal white.